Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 13 how to follow and unfollow somebody on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on GRIDS, the application, open that up, and then go to the search box. Search for a friend, a family member, a football team, Chelsea FC. Click on this and then follow the account itself. Go back to my profile. Following one, click on this. We can unfollow the account. Click on this. Go back to the home page, my page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.